When were X-rays invented? X-rays are electromagnetic waves of short wavelength capable of penetrating some thickness of matter. In 1895, Röntgen discovered mysterious rays coming from a cathode ray tube. The rays were not deflected by magnetic and could penetrate most objects. Further investigation showed that the rays were generated at the point of contact of the cathode ray beam on the interior of the vacuum tube. They were not deflected by magnetic fields and they penetrated many kinds of matter. A week after his discovery, Röntgen took an extra photograph of his wife's hand, which clearly revealed her wedding ring and her bones. The photograph electrified the general public and aroused great scientific interest in the new form of radiation. Röntgen named the new form of radiation X radiation, X standing for unknown. Since he didn't know what it was, he called it X-rays. Calcium in bones absorbs more X-rays than fat and muscles, so these rays can be used to take the pictures of bones. So bits of fact is X-rays and gamma rays are the two most dangerous kinds of electromagnetic radiation because they are ionizing radiation, meaning they are energetic enough to knock electrons from their orbit.